Are you a fan of muffin cake? What you are looking at right now is not a muffin cake, it's a muffin pie. Today we are making something interesting. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another interesting one, so let's begin. I start by sifting all-purpose flour in a bowl. Always sift the flour before making use of it, all right? Now you are going to add 2 tablespoons of corn starch, all right? No baking powder, no yeast, but if you want to add baking powder, no harm. Once that is done, I added salt, mix to combine very well. Once that is done, I move in with 250 grams of margarine, cold margarine. You can use the one at room temperature, all right? Start mixing till everything is well combined. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, after mixing, you can see that I have a moldable mixture. Okay, now it is time to go in with water. I am using ice water. You can use water from the tap. Now you are not going to knead this dough. You are going to mix. In fact, we are going to bring the dough together. We are looking for a crust dough. In a layman understanding, I call it breakable dough. As you can see on the video, you can see how the dough looks like. All right, now I am going to wrap it up with a film. You can use any plastic bag in your kitchen and wrap it up. I divided into 2 equal parts. I will allow the dough to chill in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. While the dough is chilling, let's prepare the filling. First, we prepare the slurry. Slurry simply means cornstarch dissolved with water. I added a tablespoon of cornstarch in a bowl, mixed with water, and set it aside. In a preheated pan, drizzle some oil. Move in with your vegetables. I added chopped onions, red bell pepper, and carrot. I'm going to stir to combine very well. Season with your choice of spices. I added some salt, homemade mixed spices, chili pepper, and some curry powder. Mix to combine very well. Now at this point, you can add any protein of your choice. I move in with deboned boiled mackerel fish. So this is the stock that comes from the mackerel fish. All right, okay, I added the stock. Moving with chopped potatoes. You can use Irish or sweet potato. Mix to combine very well. Now you are going to top up water since the stock is not enough. Cover and allow to cook for about a minute. A minute later, moving with the slurry. All right, once you add the slurry, cover and allow to wait for 30 seconds. 30 seconds later, voila! Here we are. I finish up with some spring onion. You can add any vegetable of your choice. Stir to combine very well. Test and adjust for more salt if necessary. Everything is okay. All right, take it off the heat at this moment. The more it cools down, the thicker it becomes. Look at that sauce. The sauce is saucing. Set it aside. Back to the dough. It has chilled with the big boys for about 10 minutes. Unwrap the dough. It is time to work with it. Dust the work surface with some flour. Place the dough. Moving with the rolling pin, start rolling to flatten the dough. Beautiful shout out to you, Confidence, watching from Owerri. Olubenga from Sango, Ogun State. Sarigent, watching from Ghana. And Aisha, all the way from Gambia. Whoops. Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? All right, I continue to roll till I come to a flat dough just like this one. Now, get your muffin pan. All right, brush with either oil or butter. All right, once that is done, you are going to measure. Make sure that you roll the dough to be more wider. All right, you need to make the dough to be very wider. Just keep watching, you will understand why. Now you are going to gently lift the dough. Please do this gently so that you don't ruin your work. Place on the muffin. This is the fastest way to make pie. I am enjoying this recently, so I thought I should share with you, my Banga family. All right, once you place the dough, make the holes. Now it is time to cut. Cut in between each of the gap. All right, once you cut, it is time to arrange the holes properly. Make sure that the dough is on the same level with the muffins. All right, that's exactly what is going on here. After that, you are going to poke with a knife. You are with me at this moment. Type poking time. All right, once that is done, it is time to add the fillings. This is very simple. You can do it. Now go ahead and add the yummy fillings. Once that is done, set it aside. To the remaining dough, we are going to roll again. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that you're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Hype this video for me. All right, thank you so much. Once you hype this video, YouTube is going to recommend it more. I appreciate you for doing that. All right, after rolling, cut in a round shape. Beat up 1 egg. We are going to be using that as a binder for now. Pick up one of the cut out dough, rub some egg on it, use it to cover the muffins. Very simple and easy. You can do it. All right. Now, once you cover, make sure that both are kissing each other. You can arrange this properly with a fork as demonstrated. Please make sure that both the wall in the hole and the cover meet together. All right. After that, go ahead and brush with a beaten eggs. This is going to give it a shine at the end of the baking. Go ahead and poke again with a knife. After that, I am going to make a slight cut with a knife. This is going to help to incorporate air while baking. It is time to bake. I bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes, and there you have it. Look at that. Oh my word. It turned out so well. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. Okay, in some cases, you may find it difficult to bring it out because of the eggs, all right? Now, use a knife, gently do this so that you don't ruin your work. It will come out on its own. Look at that. Very fluffy, even without baking powder. Where are these cuties from? They are from Gambia. If you are with me at this moment, type Gambian cuties. Okay, it is a moment of testing. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Super yummy, very flaky. Feel that texture. I want you to give it a try and get back to me. This can serve as a food or as a snack. To preserve, you only freeze. Throw into the microwave whenever you want to use and warm. It will look fresh as if you made it that day. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.